Introducing Thru Secure File Transfer Solution for Boomi. Simplify secure file transfer integration with multiple external endpoints. Separate processes for file transfers and integration within the Boomi AtomSphere interface. Add Thru as a connector and start adding file pickup or drop-off to your processes. External business partners connect directly to Thru, and then Boomi interfaces with Thru to collect or distribute files for an upstream process. The Thru platform is the first cloud-native, fault-tolerant file transfer solution with native integration to Boomi. Our persistent cloud storage ensures guaranteed delivery, no code, no limits, loosely coupled reusable endpoints, onboarding via APIs, and unlimited scale. Cloud MFT means no storage provisioning. And you pay as you go. Only pay for what you need. Remember, no code, no limits. Secure end-to-end encryption. Management APIs extend MFT control to Boomi processes. MFT alert API success and failure feed to your central reporting system. Thru provides non-repudiation assurance. Our pub submodel supports one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many use cases. Easily configure your file flows in Thru and add our connector to your Boomi process.